Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit your personal information. To edit your personal information, go to the Account page. In the Profile tab, you can edit your avatar by either selecting a color or uploading any profile picture. You can also enter your first name, last name, and phone number. Select your country, province/region, and city. Enter your address, and input your postal/zip code. Note that the email cannot be changed. Once you have entered your information, click the Save button. You can also view the 10 most recent login records. If you notice any suspicious login attempts, please report them to us immediately. In the Language and Theme page, you can change your language preference. Currently, we support English and simplified Chinese. You can also customize the theme colors and switch your page between dark mode and light mode. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.